and welcome to Jenga Mambo segment with me, Maggie Moho. And today is today is on a Wednesday after the presidential announcement, and I'm here to show you what's been going on, what's been happening, and welcome to the resident. Let's see nini ina happen. So this is how it's looking. Look at that. Hey. It's looking beautiful. Look at that. Huh? Nini. Oh, please don't mind the wind. It's very windy today. And this is how the Cabris in a way column. That's how it looks like. It's very beautiful. This one looks pretty. I'm very happy with this. Look at that. Huh? The Cabris have started. And the only thing left now will be this sector. This one we said we are putting on the grass and the trees on this side. Look at this. It's very pretty, very beautiful. Yeah. Let's go and see what's been going on as of late. Kazi mzuri sana. So there were many repairs. That's why you see hatujamaliza rangi, but so much has been going on. Yeah? You see this one? Something was being done there. Some corrections. It had to be straightened. It was curved a little bit. So, but now in archival, and the rangi has started officially. Ukuinje. That's how it looks. You see this color? It's very pretty. Inakaa poa sana. So this one is on go. Look at this. Very beautiful. Inakaa poa sana. Let's see what here. So the rangi has started. Look at this. This is the backyard. This is how it looks. You see the rangi, the paint work is already done. Yani, it's ongoing here outside. It's very pretty. So we are mixing that color, and that white. Wow, so much has been going on. And you see the keys, they have to be straightened. That's how they look. Very pretty. And please don't mind the wind. I told you today it's very windy. The water is already there. You see these three. Remember the last time I was updating in the water tower? These are the 3 grams. Let me show you how it looks. Look at that. That's a 10-liter one, 5,000, and they are full of water. The house is already plumbed. Yani iko na maji already. It's already watered. Here we were doing some molding. Is the water save quadrisha? That's why you see the ngazi here. It looks good. Let's go inside the house and see what's been cooking. Yeah. So welcome to the Momo's residence, and let's see what's been cooking here, what's been happening. Welcome. So the steaming is now continuing. You can see this, the white is literally. So it's already on good. You see that? Very pretty. This week it will be done. Is it this week? No, next week. Let me tell you next week, because still some things are being done. You see the plumbing, maji shatestiwa. That's why I'm telling you the house already has water. So this is gonna maji. This is the the hot and cold water. Yeah. This was the laundry room initially. You remember? This was laundry room, but we changed now to, right now it's a common bathroom, yeah? Because we did not have, we made these rooms in Sulta. In the first bedroom, already this one has been added. This is where the closet will be coming in. Also, we did some minor changes on these door frames for them to flush with the wall. We are coming with the design there, so they had to be redone. Yeah. This is the second bedroom. I told you all of them are in suite. Also, the closet of this room is here. That's how it looks. Very pretty. Let's see what's been happening. So these are the window panes, and they'll be going uko balcony ya master bedroom. Let's go now upstairs. We see what's happening. By the way, this week the tiles, we are doing sampling on that one bedroom. On this one bedroom, the sampling of the tiles and the gypsum, and then if we give a go ahead, they'll come and put them here. So we are on the tile selection stage. This one is already done. You see this car design, nimebakisha tu rangi, tujapaka rangi. Haya, here is this other room. You remember this room that overlooks that beautiful scene there? That beautiful scenery there. It's very pretty. Yeah? This is what we'll be seeing from this room. So as I was saying, we have already put in this is the floor of the second floor room that we added. This is how it looks. That's the floor already, but I'll show you how it looks. So far so good. So these are the window panes of that room we added. They are going there tomorrow. Already the roof tushabadilisha ishawekwa. You see that? Very pretty. Now the only thing left here is the gypsum, and they are coming this week. We have given the go ahead of the gypsum. Yeah. The stairs, these are the roadside stairs. They are already done. So let me show you what's been happening on the second floor. Yeah, second floor, what's been happening. So let's just go up. Bear with me. But then I don't mind the noise. The wind is very strong today. It's very windy. Very, very, very windy. Welcome to this room. That's how Indo Tuliada. This is the additional room. Yeah. I'll tell you what we'll do with this room. Look at this. You see those window panes that I showed you there? Those zinakuja zingia hapa. This is all windows. Yeah, it's very pretty. Yeah, this is a recreational room. A relaxing room. But hatuwezi kukosea kazi. You see the floor? So we are coming to add some things here. Inafungwa na screws. This is its balcony. It's very big, very spacious, and I love the design of the grill. Yeah? And then you overlook. Now hapa ndo unaona urembo yote. This is what you see. Yeah? You see the rangi? color. By then the wind here is crazy. We'll go to the other side on the second floor still. Here we come. The pergola. Yeah. Roof yake ishawekwa. So here this is a separation of where the view will go. The dirisha. Oh, let me do this. Let me do this. That's how it looks. This is the pergola. Already the roof. This pen is very pretty. Wow, I love this. So this is how the Nini looks. Look at that designer. This is how the compound looks from here. Super pretty. So tomorrow they'll be finishing up with these things called what? The Cabris, yeah? I love the design, yeah? Look at that. It's very pretty. Bado. It's very pretty. I'm in love with this. Everything here, eh? So also here you get the view of the mountain. You get the view on the other side. I love you. Let's see how the roof looks from here. The wind is crazy. Please forgive me for that. You see now the roof. Yesterday God did us a favor. It rained and we confirmed that there is no leakage. Okay. Now here you get the 360. I'm in love with this room. I'm so in love with this room. Get a 360 on the whole place. 360. Alafu nakuja hiyo ya 90 unaochia kwa pergola huko. It looks beautiful. So that's it from this side. That's the much progress that's been here. So see you next. Tukianza kuweka tilings, tukianza kuweka nyingine gypsum, the fittings, and I'll see you. I told you we are walking this journey together. And remember to subscribe if you have not. Share, like, comment, ask me anything construction wise, and I'll sure get back to you. So nitakuja na nini, msijali, I'll come with the BQ. I know you're waiting for that. I'll come with that. Bye, and I love you all.